Hey guys, so in this video we are going to draw Mario from the Super Mario Bros. Movie released a couple months ago. I'm going to break it down step by step, so hopefully you guys enjoy my tutorial. Now without further ado, let's get started. So we are going to start with the bottom of the hat first. So draw the arch here, a very subtle curve like this. That will be the bottom of the hat. And then we are going to draw the thickness of the cap. So draw a little bigger curve here at the top like this. Then we are going to draw the face. So all you have to do is come straight down like this on both sides. And then draw a curve at the bottom like this for the chin. And he has this side hair, so come straight down, and when you come down halfway, go to the side and then connect it to the cheek. Same thing over here, come down a little, go to the side. Now let's draw the ear. He has a pretty big ear, so draw his ear nice and big like this. And do the same thing on the left side to make it symmetrical. Now let's draw the top part of the hat, so draw a big arch here like this. Now let's draw the logo on the hat, so draw a circle in the middle, but the bottom part will be cut off. So starting from here, draw a circle like this, and then draw another circle like a little bit smaller inside like this. And then we're going to write the letter M. So write a small M like this. And then write a bigger M over it like this. Now the logo is done. Let's move on and draw the face. He has a humongous nose, so draw a nice sized circle at the center like this. Now let's draw the eyes. I'm going to draw the right eye first. So draw an oval shape like this on the right side. And another oval shape here like this on the left side. And draw a small oval inside of the eyes for the iris. And then smaller circle inside for the pupil. There's a highlight in his eye, so draw a small circle at the top and then color the pupil. And do the same thing over here on the left side. Now let's draw the eyebrow. So right at the top of the eye, draw an arch like this and then draw another bigger arch for the thickness of the eyebrow. The head will cut off some parts and that's fine. And do the same thing over here on the left. Now you can color the eyebrows black. Now let's draw his mustache. His mustache is pretty big, so we're going to draw a curve in the middle of the face like this. And his mustache at the bottom has a scallop shape. It has 6 scallops in total. So I'm starting from the middle to make it symmetrical. So draw 3 scallops to the left like this. And another 3 scallops to the right like this. And when you're done, you can color the inside black. Now let's draw the smiley mouth. Draw a curve right underneath the mustache as wide as the nose, and draw a small curve at the corner of the mouth like this. And draw another curve at the bottom for the bottom lip. We can also draw the details in the ear, so draw this small curve at the top and then a half circle on the left side, and do the same thing for the left ear. The head is done, so let's draw the body. We are going to draw the shoulder straps first, so draw a vertical line underneath the mouth like this, and do the same thing over here on the right side. The shoulder strap gets a little thicker at the bottom, so draw a vertical line slightly going to the left like this. And do the same thing over here. And then draw the V shape like this at the bottom. And then draw a circle inside for the button like this. Then draw a horizontal line like this in the middle. Now let's draw his body. He has a big tummy, so you can draw the parenthesis here like this for his big tummy. Now let's draw the legs, so draw two vertical lines slightly going towards the right like this. And do the same thing over here, go slightly towards the left like this. And then at the bottom, I'm going to make the pants flare out a little bit, so make it flare out like this on both sides. Now let's finish the pants by drawing a curvy horizontal line. So this one, it is going to go up slightly, and then go down, and then go up again. And repeat the same thing over here. And if you want to, you can add a wrinkle like this. Now let's draw the shoes. The shoe is pretty round, so we can draw the parentheses again. A big parenthesis here and a small parenthesis here at the heel. Then connect them with a curvy line like this. And if you want to draw more details, you can draw the outsole at the bottom. So come down a little here, come down a little here, and draw the same curve as a shoe like this. And when you go towards the heel, you can draw the upside down V shape and finish the curve like this. And repeat the same thing on this side. Now let's go up and draw the arm. So starting from this intersection where the shoulder strap and face are, come out just a little bit and then draw a straight diagonal line like this. And then draw another straight diagonal line here for the thickness of the arm. Then draw this curve at the end and another same curve at the bottom. And then connect them together like this. For the hand, draw a straight diagonal line like the arm. And then come around, go towards the left. And then go back up about a halfway. And draw this spiral for the finger. And for the thumb, come straight down like this and then go to the right to finish the hand. For the rest of the fingers, you can draw the diagonal lines here like this at the bottom. Now you can do the same thing here on the left side. Now let's draw the details inside the overalls. Draw the 2 horizontal lines in the middle, like this. And then draw a vertical line at the bottom like this, and another vertical line on the right like this. When you're halfway, you can slightly go to the left to finish it. Now, if you want to, you can draw the logo inside a hand with me. We're going to draw M on the right side, so draw a small vertical line, a small diagonal line, and a vertical line again like this, and draw the same thing over it to draw the thickness. And do the same thing over here on the left side. Now your Super Mario drawing is done. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye!